This is a protected saltwater marsh, and there's all of these little stupid flags everywhere. I'm like, what is this? Is it political? Is it some protection? It definitely doesn't look like a protection. See, look, and then there's different colors, and then there's these guys working. So, looking at this flag, this is what it is. Ewing irrigation products. I don't know what that is, but this land is protected reserve because it's a saltwater marsh. So I don't know what the heck irrigation product flags are doing in this. And they're different colors. And like, see, this one mound has a blue and an orange. That one's an orange. And then these ones are red. Are they planning some pipeline to come through here? Look, there's like snowy egrets that live here, and like black egrets. Look at this dude. What the heck? What the heck? This is where the San Diego River empties into the ocean. It's protected wildlife reserve. See the little signs to tell you about the nature? What the heck is this mapping doing for Ewing irrigation products? Bunch of BS. They're gonna ruin the land because this is very special brackish saltwater marsh where the water mixes and special sand, special creatures live here. It makes me so mad. I should go up and ask them maybe later.